Hello and welcome to this new video on how to pin multiple locations in Google Maps. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Map application. Just click on the Google Maps, and when you are able to access the Google Maps interface, you just have to choose the location that you want to pin. So you just have to do a long press on that particular location that you want to pin. And you just have to look on the bottom taskbar. There will be an save option, so you just have to click on that save. Now you need to just create your new list, and you can just list it as a private list or keep the name of the list. You can just keep the name of the list that you want. I'll just give it a location name for that list, and you can also give that a description. So I'll just click on that create button that is on the top right hand side of the screen, and I have created a list. Now I'll just choose the another location that I want to add. So I'll just click on that particular location for a long period of time, and again the bottom taskbar will appear in my screen. So I'll just click on that save button once more, and I'll be able to see that location or the previously created list. So I'll just click on that list, and on the top right hand side there is a done button. So I'll just click on the done button, and it has been added to the list. And in this way you can just add more and more location to that particular list and pin the locations. So this is how you can pin multiple location in Google Maps. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.